welcome back again guys. Waiting kami sa Turkish pilot guys, para makapasok kami sa Bosphorus Strait. Yung pilot ladder namin guys, maliit lang guys. Ayan yung Yavuz Sultan Bridge guys, connecting Asia to Europe. 3 bridges yan guys. Una, Yavuz Sultan Bridge. Pangalawa, Fatih Sultan Bridge. Pangatlo, Boğaz Içi Bridge. Itong dagat na to guys, Black Sea, channeling sa Bosphorus Strait, then labas sa Marmara Sea. That's all for now guys. Little lesson. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you very much. God bless.